Class. Yesterday I have explained about the definition of the sentence and one category of the sentence and its kind, that were assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. Today I shall teach you one another type of category that is based on structure. In this type of the sentence, in this type of the category of the sentence, it has three type of the sentence. First type of the sentence based on structure is simple sentence. Second type of the sentence based on structure is compound sentence. And third type of the sentence based on structure is complex sentence. In simple sentence, if a group of word has one finite verb and one subject, or you can say if a sentence has one subject and one predicate and convey complete thought, is called simple sentence. In this sentence, here you can say a simple sentence, the sentence that has only one subject and predicate is called simple sentence. I love walking in the morning. Here I is a subject, love walking in the morning is a predicate. One predicate and one subject, and it convey complete thought, complete sense, so it is a simple sentence. So, another type of example, suppose that I write a letter, or another example, I love writing. Here love writing is a predicate, I is a subject, and here is one subject and one predicate, so it is a simple sentence. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence that has at least two subject and two predicate. Two subject and two predicate are joined by the coordinating conjunction is called compound sentence. And coordinating conjunction, I have already told you, for, and, nor, but, are, yet, so, etc. These are the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction join the words or sentence of equal rank. When the two words, two sentence, or two clause, or two phrase are of equal rank, then we will use coordinating conjunction. And with the coordinate, if you see in any sentence these conjunctions, you can also say confidently, you can say confidently that this is a compound sentence. So you can say a compound sentence consists of at least two principal clause joined by the coordinating conjunction, such as conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, are, yet, so, etc. is called compound sentence. A sentence that has at least two principal clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions such as for, and, nor, but, are, yet, so, etc. is called compound sentence. I play cricket, but my brother plays chess. I play cricket is a one clause and my brother plays chess is another clause, and both are the principal clause. Principal clause means both conveys complete sense. If a clause convey complete sense, it means it is a principal clause. So compound sentence are also made up of two principal clause joined by the coordinating conjunction. Here but is a coordinating conjunction, and I play cricket is one principal clause, my brother plays chess is another principal clause joined by coordinating conjunction but. That is why it is a compound sentence. In third type of the sentence, that is a complex sentence. Complex sentence, the sentence that is made of at least one principal clause and one subordinate clause. One principal clause and one subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means the clause that is depend on main clause to convey its complete sense or thought, and principal clause convey complete sense itself. So without main clause, subordinate clause does not convey complete sense. That is when one principal clause and one main clause, one principal clause or one main clause and a subordinate clause are joined with the help of the subordinating conjunction. The sentence is known as the complex sentence. He did not wear his coat because it was not ironed. Here, he did not wear his coat. This is a principal clause. And it was not ironed. It is a subordinate clause. Because it was not ironed, it is a subordinate clause. It was not ironed. Subordinate clause here, and this clause convey its sense with the help of principal clause. He did not wear his coat, and but this clause is joined. This subordinate clause is joined with the help of subordinating conjunction because. So this sentence became complex sentence. He did not wear his coat because it was not ironed. So that is why it is a complex sentence. Another example, I met a boy who loved playing chess. Here, I met a boy is a principal clause, and who loved playing chess is a subordinate clause. And who works not only as a subject but also it works as a conjunction, relative conjunction. So here, who loved playing chess is a subordinate clause. I met a boy is a principal clause, and both are joined with the help of a subordinating conjunction who. That's why it is a complex sentence. That's all in the class. Thank you, class.